In this work, we evaluated if children can use code to create new outdoor play experiences. 24 children in groups of 3 were introduced to a Scratch-based coding platform that controls a programmable outdoor play device. We asked children to invent their own outdoor play experiences, code them, and play with them with their friends. Findings showed that although coding and outdoor play are two very different activities, all children were able to bridge the gap and use coding to invent new outdoor play experiences. Some children used code to invent new versions of traditional games, such as hide and seek, tag, and capture the flag. Children's games combine the digital world with physical play in a unique way, connecting computational concepts with physical and social play elements. Children were able to express themselves with the code, and were excited to see their abstract code come to life.